Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very impromptu video to show you what I've discovered about transferring book pages onto packing tape. I'm not sure if this has been done before. I have seen it on Pinterest, but it sort of pulls up the whole of the text. But what I've done is I've created it so it's a very rustic type of look, so it doesn't actually pull up all of the text. I've stuck that down onto just some scrap craft paper. But here, for example, I've just perfected it so it just pulls up some of it, and then I'm going to cut this out. Oh, there's the cat. Come on. Yep, you've made your appearance. Come on. So I'm going to cut that out, and I think I'm going to turn it into like a little pamphlet in my journal. And I've actually made some embellishments, so I'll just show you the ways that you can use it, and then I'll go on and show you. So here I've just put it in the background here of this pocket. Done the same thing here with this pocket. I've added it here on these tags, and these are all going to be embellishments on my junk journal. So here on this tag as well. So let me go right ahead and show you how to do it. So, let me get myself sorted. So what I've actually been using is dictionary page. I think you might be able to use any paper as long as it's not glossy, but you will have to just have a little play around with it. And I think this is 2-inch packing tape. And all I do is I just take some off. So, sorry about the noise. Pull a piece the length of the book. And then if you stick this down right on the book now, you're going to pull up the whole of the book page. So it's going to be a very solid image. But what I want is I want it to be quite distressed. So what I was actually doing is sticking it onto my leg to take off some of the tack of the sellotape. But for purpose of the video, you don't want to see my leg. I'm just going to stick it on a towel. And I just peeled it up a couple of times. I don't know how much I'll need to do it on the towel, or because the towel's much more fibrous. Give it a quick go. Just do it 2 or 3 times on my leg. So there's not a huge amount of tack left to it now, and then just stick it straight down. Give it a very light press, don't burnish it down or anything like that, and keep this end up because that's what you're going to need to pull it off. And then all I do is I just pull it back, and I hold the book page and I pull it back really slowly, and it will start to pull off just part of the image. It really is trial and error of how many sticks on your leg you need to give it. How much tackiness you need to take off the tape, basically. So just keep pulling it very slowly. And you can do all sorts with this. Stick it on your scraps, make it into tags, put it behind images. Almost like making it a sticker. But the problem is you can't then do that side of the book, whatever page you're using. You can only do it on one side. Now this is very thin dictionary page. You might be able to do it on something that's more high quality, but again, experiment yourself. So here I've just got a misprint from my digital kit. So all I'm going to do is stick that over the top. One thing I forgot to mention. So stick it down where it's still sticky, where it didn't touch the book. Now all of the majority of the tack has gone off this. So I just use Pritt Stick, or you can use wet glue. The only reason I'm not using wet glue is because of this inkjet printer. Oh, I think I'm running out of glue. And then just give it a bit of adhesive to stick to. And flatten that down. And look how cool that is. That adds such a cool element to the background. So like I said, just very super quick video. You can use it in all your embellishments like I showed you here. Cut it up, use it as tags. Do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for a junk journal embellishment video. That should be coming up some point over the weekend, but I'm not entirely sure. But I really hope you guys found this useful. I was super inspired by it. So thanks guys. Bye.